From the news desk of NaijaNews TV, Nigerian comedian and actor Bovi has revealed why he made his kids relocate from Nigeria to United Kingdom, UK. The comedian Bovi was a guest on the recent episode of the Relocated podcast. He explained that he moved his kids to the UK due to the educational system in Nigeria. Bovi explained that the Nigerian educational system has minimalized bullying. In his words,
what's the situation for you?
Well, first off, my kids don't even live in the country anymore.
Where are they?
They're in the UK. 2 years now.
Okay.
You know, and that's because it started by accident. My first son has been there since 2021, boarding house. I went to boarding in Nigeria, and I'm like, I know what boarding did for me. It made me street smart. Okay. Very street smart, right?
Okay.
So I said, my kid needs to go to boarding. But my kid will not go to a boarding school where a fellow student who is at most 4 years older than my kid would ask him to kneel down or fetch his water or make his bed or beat him up. And I don't want to beat nobody's kid or fight anybody's parent.
Right, yeah.
While this has generated reactions online about the educational system of Nigeria, kindly drop your opinion in the comment box section below. And please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.